Hello, this is a unboxing video, and I've got Rambutan, which is from Trader Joe's, and as you can see, it's little hairy fruit, and it's from Guatemala, and it's kind of spiky, like that. So what you do is you cut the outside lightly, and then you take the two parts and you twist it, and then the inside it looks like a lychee nut, and the outside is very tough. I'm like peeling it off. What's left of it. It's very tasty. A little tangy, mostly sweet. I'm just cutting it right now, kind of out of view of the camera, but and then on the inside, there's a little nut in there, which you don't want to eat. But, oops. And then it just flew across the deck here. But these are great. They cost like $3.99 from Trader Joe's, and I really like them. I'll have to get them again.